Hello everyone! Many observations which support the idea that matter is not smoothly continuous, but consists of separate particles. Look at the panel on the left. It shows how a chemical reaction can be understood in terms of particles. Oxygen is represented by red atoms, and it is reacting with methane, which is represented by gray, carbon, and white hydrogen atoms. Note that one of the four hydrogen atoms are not currently in view. Let's click on this panel and click play to watch the reaction occur. This reaction produces water and carbon dioxide. Careful measurement shows that the relative amounts of the materials involved in the reaction are always the same and always in the same fairly simple proportions. They are exactly as predicted by the simple model shown here. Let us repeat the reaction one more time. An atomic model of matter is consistent with all observations of chemical reactions, and it is used with a complete success to predict the behavior.